Welcome back to the Real Dinosaur Zoo. Today's visit takes us into one of the most impressive habitats in the entire reserve. Good morning and welcome. The gates are open, and come on in and explore the lost world. This enclosure houses one of the largest predators in the reserve. But even with his size, he's very hard to spot and weigh over a ton. We'll take a closer look from the water.
Pretty impressive, right? Not everyone gets a view like that.
Civatherium is an extinct genus of massive giraffid that lived in Africa and Eurasia roughly 400,000 years ago. Here we have the Elasmotherium. While no fossils of the horn have been found, scientists believe it had a massive single horn made of Gastornis is a large flightless bird from the mid-Paleocene. These birds were heavily built, 7.5 feet tall. Megalania was a gigantic carnivorous monitor lizard that lived in Australia during the Pleistocene epoch, about 2 million years ago. If you're ready, I can show you to the best view in the house, right over there. Welcome to Rainforest Refreshments. What can we put on your plate today? Welcome everyone to the Jurassic Preserve. I hope you enjoy the rest of your visit among the dinosaurs. See you soon. If you enjoyed today's adventure and want to support the park, make sure you subscribe before you leave.
What you're seeing here is a juvenile plesiosaur. You can already see the long neck and powerful flippers that made their species such efficient marine hunters.
The river basin is reinforced with layered concrete barriers and impact-rated viewing glass, designed specific.
The massive sail along its back could rise over 6 feet tall, supported by elongated neural spines from the vertebrae.